couple students inquiring about Bootstrap templates, themes, etc. So, here I went online, I did a quick search for Bootstrap themes and instantly came up with these 4 links, and there's more out there as well. So here's one interesting one, startbootstrap.com, right? Whenever I see start for free, it makes me think, ooh, I guess eventually I'm going to have to pay. But actually, this one seems to work that some of the templates are free and some are considered pro. So obviously I have to pay something for them and so on. But look at impressive arrangement of choices here. You can have a look at all the different ones and so on and so forth. Here is another one, Bootstrap made, right? Top quality, et cetera, right? So there's lots of here as well. You can browse through and have a look at. And one thing I noticed under their license area here, they seem to mention there's a free license that basically, as long as you give them credit in the footer, right, and you're not actually making any money, then you can use different ones for free as well, right? Now this site, themes.getbootstrap.com, these are actually made by the creators of Bootstrap, and they're pretty high end. They're really, really nice though, right? So there's lots of great choices here. I didn't find anything on here that seemed to be free. Now I didn't search everywhere, but they seem to range in price from about $39 up to $79 or $89, different ones and so on. So, it's another alternative if you're willing to spend a few bucks yourself on something that, you're going to be able to pass that cost on to a client and so on, right? Bootswatch. Actually, this has been around for a long time, and I've often had students use this because, there's a lot of open source stuff that's really easy to just get in place and so on and so forth. So, look at here. Now it's true, these basic themes are largely just setting fonts and colors and so on. But, that's often all you really need to make yours stand out from others, right? Ooh, I kind of like that one. I might play around with that one. Okay. And of course, further down, yes, inevitably, more, premium templates that you can pay for and so on and so forth. So I think they even have links to books on how to do customization and so on. So kind of a nice site. Now what you do, I'll actually demonstrate. I've got the project running. Okay, welcome to Gym Management. This is our final version from last term, right? With the fonts we were using and everything else. So let me just show you. Basically, all you do is you come in here, and under download, because we're using just straight Bootstrap, all you need are these 2 files, bootstrap.css. So just download them and put them in the right folder, right? Now to save some time, I actually have a number of them downloaded already, right? So let me just show you in the project. Remember how this works. Here in our MVC, in www.root, okay, there is lib, short for library, right? And here's the Bootstrap, and under distribution, there's 2. There's CSS and JavaScript. So here is where we actually just need to replace, okay, the Bootstrap file with the one from that site. Simple as that. That's all there is to it. 2 files, bada bing, overwrite them, and you're done, right? So let me just show you here. Let me get the other one. Yeah. So here's our gym management application. So if I go in here to www.root, lib, bootstrap, distribution. So we actually see more files here than it shows you in, but it doesn't matter, okay? Now, here I have my downloaded version. So let me try Sketchy first of all, okay? All I have to do is copy these and paste them in here. Yes, I'll replace them. Bada bing, bada boom. Now let me come back to my application. Look at that. So as you see, yeah, it's very much like a kid would have created it type of thing. I kind of like it. It's a little different. Maybe not good for everything, but let's see. There we go. So let's just have a look here. Yeah. I don't know, like it's an option, right? It might be suitable for certain apps and so on. So that's about it. All right, let's just look at another one. So another one I downloaded, I grabbed this Minty. Okay, so maybe we'll try that one next. Coming to www.root, lib, bootstrap, distribution. Okay, so I'll grab the ones out of Minty. That's all it is. Just copy and paste. Yes, replace. Look at that. It's already been applied. So it's a very muted kind of colors. Yeah, I kind of like the colors. They're nice. Font isn't hugely different, but that's okay. Let's try another one just for fun. Let's go into superhero. So we'll get those two. Ooh, that's a little different, right? Oh, sometimes, of course, each page will be a... Okay, I've got Minty back again for some reason. Oh, control refresh. There we go. That reloads the CSS. If the CSS was applied to a page once already, then you have to use control to refresh. All right, yeah, so there we are. That's a little different. I don't mind that. That one's okay, but you see how easy it is to try different ones here, right? Okay, when we go up a level, let's try, this one's very colorful, I noticed. So I'll just get that one. We'll paste that in here, replace that. Ooh, that's very colorful. I'm not sure I'd go with it, but it is interesting. Yeah, all right. But you see, and of course, you can customize these, right? You can do whatever you want, get it in place the way you like, make modifications, but gives you lots of variety to even just start with. I wanted to try that morph. We'll just end on that one. That'll be my last demo. And I'll just get our folder up here. Paste, replace them. Ooh, I kind of like the 3D effect on the buttons. Actually, yeah, I think this is pretty neat. Let me go. Right, okay. Clients. Okay. All right, yeah. Notes, you can sort by instructor. Yeah, I like some aspects of it for sure. All right, so you get the idea, right? Very, very easy to implement, and away you go. All right, hope you enjoyed that.